If you're looking for a way to completely delete your personal vault from OneDrive, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely and effectively disable your personal vault, either from the web or your PC, and you'll understand what's going on behind the scenes. Whether you want to get rid of extra security layers you don't use, or you're just simplifying your cloud storage, I'll walk you through every step so nothing is left to chance. Let's get started. First and foremost, the most reliable way to delete your personal vault is by using the OneDrive website. Sometimes on your PC, the option just doesn't show up due to software versions or regional limitations. But the web interface is refreshingly consistent. Think of it as the main control center for your entire OneDrive experience. To start, open your favorite web browser and go to OneDrive.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for OneDrive. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it and from the drop-down choose Options. This opens a sidebar with a range of settings to customize how OneDrive works for you. Here you'll notice an entry called Personal Vault on the left-hand menu. Click on that. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your vault. Before you proceed, be aware. Your personal vault may contain sensitive documents, photos, or files you tucked away for safekeeping. Disabling it means all contents will be permanently deleted. Microsoft will even warn you about this step. Take a moment here. If there's anything you want to keep, now's the time to move it somewhere else in your OneDrive, like a regular folder. When you're ready, click the Disable button. For security, Microsoft might ask you to verify your identity. This could be a code sent to your email or phone. Just follow the prompts. It's an extra step, but remember, it's designed to protect you. Once you confirm, you'll get a final warning about permanent data loss. Don't worry if you have to pause here. Give it another read just to be sure. If you're set, accept the warning and your personal vault will be disabled. One less thing to manage. Now, if you prefer doing things from your computer, you might be able to disable Personal Vault right from your PC. This process depends on your version of OneDrive, so if you don't see the option, don't sweat it. The web method always works. On your Windows PC, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, usually at the bottom right of your screen. Click it, and then select the gear icon to open Settings. You'll see several tabs. Find either the Account tab or sometimes there's a dedicated Personal Vault tab. Interface designs can change, so click around if you're not seeing it right away. If the Disable Personal Vault button is there, click it. Just like on the web, you'll probably have to verify your identity. This step ensures no one else can accidentally or intentionally delete your vault. Follow through with Microsoft's prompts, confirm your decision, and you're done. Simple as that. Either method you choose, the process is straightforward once you know where to look, and Microsoft has built-in safeguards to make sure you don't remove anything by accident. That's a wrap. Now you know exactly how to delete your personal vault in OneDrive, and you've got the peace of mind that nothing is left behind. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or got stuck on a step, drop a comment below. I read every one. And be sure to subscribe for more practical how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.